Hello guys, in this video we're gonna go over the different steps that we follow in order to set up one of our apps, Rentman Action Automation for Workflows, inside your sub account and get it connected to your Rentman platform. But more importantly, be able to execute actions directly from the workflow for your Redmond platform. So let's get the ball rolling. Inside your sub account, we go at the app marketplace to search for the app. Redman, there you go. We click on it. We go at install, allow and install. There's an API key required in order to get the installation going. So we're gonna switch to our Redman platform in order to get it. Inside Redman, we come down here, configuration, and then it's scroll up here at extensions and we make sure it's connected and we show the token. We got a token here, we copy, switch back, paste, we continue, we choose the plan, we confirm, we complete the installation and we get the uninstall. This means that the tool is already connected to our Rentman platforms and now we're able to action directly from the workflow for our Rentman platform. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you like this video at some point, don't forget to give some thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.